If you're experiencing a login timeout error on Buildium, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause login timeouts. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. Using an outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with Buildium. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, try logging and using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login timeout issue on Buildium. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Buildium support for further assistance.